¿Qué onda, guys? It's your boy Jorgito back with another video. Today we are going to be viewing the eclipse, the crazy phenomenon, conspiracy thing that's going on today, man. We really are gonna die! And so we are out here just about 10 or 15 miles out of my hometown, and we're in an open lot, as you can tell. Nothing but green grass out here. We got the car, roosters, chickens, goats, cows, and us. So we're out here, guys. We're ready to view this solar eclipse. Like I said, I've never seen one before. I don't know how it's gonna view well on camera. So I have this camera, of course, that we're vlogging with, and we have this one right here that's set up, shooting straight up at the sun. I know you can't even see anything. And then we got the drone that we're gonna put up in the sky. So curious to see if that's gonna pick up anything. I did put it up in the sky earlier, but I wasn't able to see anything. I wanna say it's like starting to cover the sun a little bit. I was looking earlier with, where's the glasses? With our glasses that we had. Well, the moon is starting to cover the sun. You can kind of see a piece of it already covered. But let me see if I can use this camera and so you guys can see. I don't know if we're able to see it, but let's check it out, guys. Okay, so the sun is somewhere right there. Let me darken this camera up. There we go, that's a little bit better.
Oh my God, what happened to the sun?
Close this a little bit better right there. Okay, so that's the sun, but you can't tell anything. Dang. Hopefully it gets better. You will see a shot later on when it gets like super dark. Clouds are going away. Oh, guys, there, you can see it. You can see it. Okay, but you guys did see a little bit. It is starting to kind of get in front of the sun. The moon is anyways. So here in a bit, it's supposed to get total darkness. I'll be letting you guys see on this camera, and I have a second camera set up, like I said, and you'll be able to see on that one, as well as the drone. So what do y'all think, man? Have any of y'all ever seen a solar eclipse? I know I'm super excited about it. Like I said, a lot of conspiracy to it, saying that, you know, internet towers are gonna go down, phones aren't gonna be working.
Get it! Die! Yes! Ugh. Whoa! The fuck was that?
Just like kind of chaotic type of stuff, man. But let me know in the comments what y'all think, and hopefully we can see a good view of the solar eclipse. So y'all stay tuned, guys. And of course, be sure if you're watching this channel right now, you hit that subscribe, like, and comment button. It'll help us out big time, guys. So like I said, I hope you enjoy this video. When it turns all the way black, we're all gonna die. And that's why you're not having a seven-year-old birthday party.
Okay, then stop recording. Get this chancla.
All right, guys, so we are moments away from the total lunar eclipse. It's like 3/4 of the way. I'll show you here in a second. And it's already kind of getting dim. Like the light is getting real low. It's like a bluish, grayish tint right now. I don't know if you guys can tell. As soon as it turns dark, I'm gonna hit the drone up in the sky. I'm gonna have this camera going, and then the second camera, or the third camera on the tripod. So, guys, it's like I said, little by little, it's getting dark. And as soon as it goes completely black, we're all gonna die.
No! Jesus Christ.
But guys, stay tuned, man, because you're about to see it here in a bit. Finally getting dark. I got this camera going. Let me put my phone out, and we're gonna put the drone in the sky to see if we can see anything here. I don't know if we can, because I had put the drone in the sky earlier and I wasn't able to see anything. Hopefully we can catch something. So like I said, this is a DJI Air 2S, and this is what we're gonna use to try to see if we can see it. Okay, so we got the drone in the sky. Our camera's rolling over here. This is the view right now. I don't know if you guys can tell. Let's see what the solar eclipse looks like right now. Check it out. There it is, guys. There it is. Almost there. It's almost covered, and we're about to die. It's now almost all the way a total eclipse, and it's getting darker and darker. So it looks like it's about a thunderstorm right now. I would say we're about 80 to 90% there. I can tell everything's getting like more purple and blue. Like I said, it looks like almost like a thunderstorm. Here in the next few minutes, it's supposed to be completely black.
I can't see fucking shit out of this thing.
Oh man. Oh man. You better hide, Kinley. It's getting dark. All right, guys, so I believe we're about almost there. If I'm not mistaken.
That's cool. No, it's not.
Almost there, guys. Dang, it's got real dark, guys. It just got super freaking dark. Guys, we're flying around in total darkness. My drone's giving me signs saying that it's low ambient light, low vision. Boom! Oh, what the hell? Well, something happened with my drone.
Why?
I don't know, I can't find it.
I thought it was supposed to return to home.
It's supposed to.
Oh, there it goes.
Where?
It literally looks like the same.
No, that's the plane.
Oh, it's a plane. That's what was wrong.
Trying to figure out where my drone is at right now. Can't find my drone. Well, that's not good. Can you see me?
Grainy.
So like, I don't have no control of my drone. I have no idea where it's at right now. Well.
No, it's coming back.
Boom! Okay guys, so the light is coming back. That was freaking crazy. Right now I'm looking for my drone because it says aircraft not connected. I don't know what happened. It just disconnected out of nowhere. So, because I don't hear it nor do I see it.
Probably in camera.
It's not doing anything though.
My eye hurts.
You're going blind. I'm scared because I can't find my drone.
That was actually cool.
All right, guys, so this just finished up, but I cannot find my drone. I don't know what happened to it. It just disconnected all of a sudden, and I was pretty far away, so we're gonna go look for it. So hopefully we can find it here in a bit. The last known location, I don't know if you can tell, but I guess it filled in this cornfield right here. I hear it. So we're getting closer. I'm praying to God that it's not into pieces right now. Oh man.